Alrighty, gang. Good morning. Today we're gonna go over on the few trades we have rocking. Not too much volatility going on at this time. We're gonna see it just in a second. Today is August 26, 2025. Before I continue, disclaimer, and the most important part, subscribe. If you like what you see, it's absolutely free. You pay nothing. Click the bell and you will see all this analysis I do every single day. All right, let's see what we have. This is the gold US dollar. As you can see, we have been struggling along the 1.0 regression channel, a standard deviation channel. You see right there. Our position is near there. Our target is down here. And if this works, it's going to be sweet, people. So it's worth the wait. All right, this is what we have at this point, as we stand right now, on the gold US dollar. The price is still going down, but the dollar index is struggling. So this stay here, being messing around here. Let's see what happened if this breakdown to the point. Can this go up? Yes, everything can happen. But my opinion, according to what I see, this baby is going down. All right, let's see the DAX. The DAX, as you can see, is moving to the upside. It's bouncing our first deviation of the channel. Our target. Let me see. I am somewhere in here. Let me see. Trade level. Oh yeah, I'm right there. And my target is the top of this candle. If this work, this is also going to be a very nice movement to the upside, 332 pips, okay? Knockstar, 100. Yo, this is being stuck there for a long time, all right? Is this engaged to the upside? Up here, this is a 400 pips. Let me see if I still have money to get a position there. Let me see. Oh, yeah. I did. All right. Here we go. What I do to measure, because sometimes I lose the prospecto of the movement. Let me see. Insert. Oh, yeah, vertical line. Put a vertical line here. And I see the cross of the vertical line. Should I put it here or up here? Interesting. Let me don't be too. Let me put it in here. Yeah. That's about nice. Let me make a round number. 4 years in there. Okay, there you go. Let's see what happened at 9:30. So we saw the Nasdaq 100 moving to the upside, in my opinion, based on standard deviation channel, level 1. Can this drop like it's at? Hell yeah. Anything can happen, people. That's why you have to calculate you lottage properly, all right? So you can survive movement like this one, all right? All right, again, let's see what happened. Again, DAX moving to the upside, NDX moving to the upside, so the correlation is correct. This is the only one that is moving down, that we believe is going to move down, all right? The goal. So there you have it, people. This is all my trades as we stand today, August 26, 2025. See you. Don't drink and drive. Bye.